Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for a country home that affords peaceful relaxation? If your answer is yes, then this tri-level country home is for you. It sits on a 1/3 acre property and is located in the cool area of Eden Villa in Southfield, St. Elizabeth. This well-constructed house has high ceilings, formal chandeliers throughout, and bright airy rooms. The first level offers a large double garage with automatic doors and a ground floor bedroom with ensuite bathroom. The second level has a formal entrance foyer, a formal living room, and a spacious family and games room, both of which open to an expansive patio, ideal for entertaining. Your living room leads to a large dining area, spacious kitchen, laundry room, and a full guest bathroom. The upper level enjoys a great master suite comprised of a large bathroom with a jetted tub, shower, bidet, and double sinks, huge walk-in closet, expansive bedroom, opening to a wraparound patio, three other bedrooms, two bathrooms, and a second patio with hot tub. The property is within proximity to Lover's Leap and Treasure Beach, famous for the Calabash International Literary Festival, Pelican Bar, and the Jake's Hotel. This property also has great investment potential. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.